जय माँ भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। I heartily welcome you to the PMS Samachar channel from the international world. After the death of Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri pursued friendship with China, but India did not succeed. In 1964, India-Pakistan war. China had supported Pakistan in one way. On September 23, India-Pakistan ceasefire agreement was reached. China's destiny was destroyed. India-China, as part of their first major effort to resolve the month-old border deadlock in eastern Ladakh, armies will hold talks at the site of Lieutenant General on Saturday. Thousands marched in Auckland, New Zealand's largest city, after the murder of a black man by the police. The world's people in the mind the civil unrest arising in America under the Prime Minister housing scheme. The wait for 100 Indians may be a longer. There are fears of delay in the proposal of many states under the housing scheme. Ministry of Human Resource Development has released an optional academic calendar for students on poverty class 11th and 12th on Wednesday. Sweeper, police or coolie was awarded environment in from 9th August 2.5 crore. Bihar will set up the plant. Invention: a sewing machine is a machine used to sew fiber and materials together with thread. Sewing machines were invented during the first industrial revolution to increase the amount of manual sewing work performed in clothing companies. The sewing machine has greatly improved efficiency and productivity of the clothing industry. Sundar Lal Bahuguna is a noted Garhwali environmentalist and Chipko environment leader. The idea of Chipko movement was of his wife and the action was taken by him. For years, he has been fighting for the preservation of forests in the Himalayas. First as a member of the custard, popularly known as Sarifa or Sitafal in India, is liked by people of all age groups. It has loads of potassium, vitamin A, copper, phosphorus, fiber, calcium. The list is endless. The high anti-properties are excellent for skin, heart, bone and blood pressure. In mathematics, solid geometry is a traditional name for the geometry of dimensional Euclidean space. Geometry deals with the measurement values of various solid figures, including pyramids, prisms and polyhedrons, cylinders, cones, truncated cones and balls bounded by spheres. Cinnamon is a spice obtained from genus Cinnamon. Cinnamon is used mainly as an aromatic condiment and flavoring additive in a wide variety cuisine is sweets and savory dishes, breakfast cereals, snack foods, tea and traditional foods. The aroma and flavor of cinnamon derive from its essential oil and principal component, cinnamaldehyd, as well as numerous other constituents including euxant. Mercury is a chemical element with the symbol of Hg and atomic number 80. It is commonly known as quicksilver and was formerly named Ytterbium, a heavy silvery D block element. Mercury is the only metallic element that is liquid at standard condition of temperature and pressure. Gomukhasana, cowfish pose, is a seated asana in Hatha yoga and modern yoga as exercise, sometimes used for meditations. The benefits of Gomukhasana: it stretches your hips, it provides power to your ankles, thighs, shoulders, armpit, chest, deltoid and triceps. Children created awareness towards environment through colorful paintings or Environment Day in Premalok Mission School. Today's event, Capes and Cards Day, Gardening Exercise Day. In 1596, Sikh Guru Har Gobind Ji, the sixth Sikh Guru, was born. In 1664, Shivaji crowns himself king on India. Vishwa Bharati University is a public research central university and an institution of national importance located in Shanti Niketan, West Bengal, India. It was founded by Rabindranath Tagore, who called it Vishwa Bharati, which means the communion of the world with India. Until independence, it was a college. Soon after independence in 1951, the institution was given the status of a university and was renamed the Vishwa Bharati University. COVID-19, in view of the World Badminton Federation on Thursday cancelled, recognized in Hyderabad. Cyclone has weakened, but its effect in the form of rainfall still continuous in the state meteorologist department. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Gujarat and Haryana. People of Punjab and Rajasthan are prone to heavy rains. Today for that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय।
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष गों शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।